How do people? First of all, apologies, I haven't made a video in a couple of months and I've just come in specially. It's absolutely pouring down with rain today, so I've come in specially just to try and do a video for you. And this is something I was doing for a friend, so I thought I'd show you at the same time. What we've got is a couple of headrests here. Now, I'm not showing you how to do headrest covers. What I'm trying to show you is how to make a pattern out of an awkward shape. Yeah, so if I use this headrest cover, for example, it V's in the way. I don't know if it shows up the way, but it comes in, and then that bit's flat, and then it comes back out again. But it's narrow here, and then it gets wider and wider and wider. So in order to take this shape, because this piece here will be a kind of curve after it's done, I'm going to show you how, one way of doing it. I'm sure there's 100 ways, but this is my way of doing it. And what it is this is the other one. This is these are sprayed on. It's like a plastic or something. They don't come off. I thought it was going to be easy. Take these things off and then just cut around and get the patterns off them. But as it is, I'm going to have to make my own pattern. So how I do it is I get a plastic bag, straight into this. Here we go. Get a plastic bag on there, wrap it in tight, all the way around. You're thinking, what's this crazy guy up to these days? Yeah, right. Well, incidentally, the reason I haven't done a video for ages is I've been busy. So my advice is never retire, because if you retire, somebody will find plenty for you to do. And we've just bought a farm, so I'm over there pulling the floors up, taking roofs off, trying to get it ready to build a new saddlery school. We think it would be better on a farm, because that way we can provide accommodation. Right, anyway, so as you can see, what I'm doing is I've put it in a plastic bag to protect the item, and then I'm just wrapping the whole thing in tape. I bet that makes a funny noise on the video. Yeah. Making a horrible noise here. Alright, I just want everything covered. Get down. Now, while I'm doing this, you could also go and make a cup of coffee. I'll tell you what I'll do, because it's obviously going to take some time. I'm going to wrap this off film, and with the miracle of film, I'm going to turn this off and back on again. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. Alright guys, back again. All wrapped up, all sellotaped up. Now, just in case anybody asks, no, I'm not available for wrapping your Christmas presents. What a wonderful job I've done here. Yeah? Alright, so that's it wrapped up. Big plastic bag, and then just lots of tape. So the next thing I've got to do is to work out my panels. In this case, you can see there's a panel comes here all the way around, and then there's this panel and this panel, then there's the two side panels. I don't have to at this stage make the exact same shape. I can design anything I want at this stage. So if I wanted this to be a V, I can do a V. You'll see what I mean by that when I show you the next one. As it is for the camera, I'm just going to design it like this. Yeah. So what you need: felt tip pen. Big. Hopefully this pen works. Now in there, I can actually feel the line of that other one. It's in there. So I'm just going to, in this case, I'm just going to follow it, which is there, all the way down. That's it, all the way, keep going. And as I say, I'm just following this shape, which seems to come in here, and then it ends there because it's got that hole, isn't it? Yeah, the metal plate's in there somewhere. Here it is again, starting here again, up here. Am I doing this on camera? Yeah, good. It's coming all the way up here, and where's the other one? And it should meet up with this one, and look at that. Yeah, miracle. Right, so that's that one drawn on. Next one is this one. Get my pen in there. So it doesn't have to be the shape. If I wanted to put a V panel in, I'll just draw it at this stage, yeah? Right, so where's this line? There it is there, all the way down. the new farm is coming along great. It's an old house that's on the farm, so we're modernising that and getting that ready for winter, you know, insulating it and bringing it up to spec. As soon as that's done, I'm into the outbuildings. We're putting in for planning permission to build a bigger house, because it's a small bungalow that's on it, and I like big houses. Right, so I'm just going to draw this all the way along there. My pen's running dry, of course. So, but just to be unusual, I have another one. Right, see, ready for all emergencies. Of course, the other one's probably not going to work, but there you go. Right, that's that one. So drawing that panel. The next panel is this outer edge round here. So the exact same thing. Now I probably want this. I probably want this on top. Look at that, pen's not going to work now. No, I've got a black pen here somewhere. Aha! Look at that, yeah. One black pen. Right. Might actually even show up better. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to draw around this edge here, which is this seam here, yeah. So I'm drawing that. So all the way around. Now you need to keep watching this, I'm afraid, because there's an important bit that's going to come up after I finish drawing all these lines, and it really, really is important. If not, you'll never make the thing. Well, you might, but it wouldn't be right without my little tip. Okay, keep going. I don't know if some of you have seen, but I've got a little nephew who likes to do videos. The problem is that he's done a couple of leather videos, but he does a lot of these, what he thinks, I think they're called blogs or something. So I've actually set up a channel for him, which is purely leather work. And it's just to show you that it can be easily done, even kids can do it. My problem's finding time to get them over here to do these videos. But as soon as you do it, you'll start to see them appear online. And it'll give you some hints as well, you know, because as I say, if a kid can do it, we can all do it. Alright, I'm just redrawing this line just to make it a bit better. That'll do that. Okay, so now I've drawn this line here. I hope it shows up. I've drawn this panel here, and then I've drawn this panel, which is 3 panels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on this one. Right, so that's it drawn. So the next thing, remember I told you the very important tip. If I cut this all out, which just to show you, hang on, let me move all this. This is one I did earlier, see? So I've already done this ahead of time, because I was doing it for a friend, and then I thought I'll do it for the video. So you can see that's that panel there. Now look at the difference on this and this. See these little marks here? Yeah, there's one there, one here, one here. Now if I get, this is one of the side pieces that comes round here, yeah? So that wraps round there, and you'll see there's corresponding marks on this, right? So the marks are on here. Now I need these marks. I need to also know what's top and bottom, so that tells me on there it says top on it, and on here it should say outside right, it says, so that's the outside, and this is the right hand side, so this one here I think. So really these dots, when I'm machining it together, will help the item line up. That's what these dots are for. As I say, I've already got 5 pieces. Let me just shove this into the side. So I've got these 5 pieces, which is that way round, that one, and just to show you, this is the inside one as well. Now I'm going to take you to the next, I will come back to that one in a second. Now I'm going to show you the next stage. You see the hole in the bottom in this one, yeah? When you cut these out, add on a tiny bit to allow for your machining as well. But again on this, you can see these little dots on it, see them? And as I say, I'm going to put them on the item so as you can see it. But these are important. Without this, you'll never be able to piece this mess together. Now, just to show you, this is my little play piece. Let me get this mess out of the way. And again, you can see this is the side panel, yeah, here. And on here, if it'll show up, you can see these dots are put on here. There's another one there, yeah, and another one here. And if we look on the leather, I've got these dots again, yeah. Outside it says there, that's a dot. And there's another dot there, and you can see the dots on here where I've used it for lining up, and it'll match up with this piece of leather on this side. So that's what the dots are. Now, if I show you this, let me just put it on this one here. This isn't finished, this is just me playing, because I'm actually thinking of doing a different design for them. So I'm just making this one up. Probably goes, where's your bottom on this one? It should tell me on that. Oh, That'll be down there, I suppose. That goes on there. And then it should, once it's all on, you can actually see it starting to come together there. Yeah, whatever way around it goes, it's the other way around. Looking at it, it's this side. Is it? Even I don't know which way this one goes. There you go. Yeah, so that fits on there. That'll come round here, and it'll meet up here. But you can see what I'm trying to do on it, and it's coming together. Yeah. So anyway, back to the original one. As I digress, hopefully all that nonsense I just showed you is a bit more understandable. Let's come back to this again. So back to these dots. It doesn't matter where I put these dots. I like to, if I'm doing something, I'm going to say I'd like to have them in this corner here first of all. Yeah. So there's definitely going to be a dot here. And when I say a dot, it's a line I do. That way when I cut down this line, there'll be a dot on either side. Same here, there'll be a dot. On here, there'll be a dot. And it'll line up on this one down here. And then I'm going to do another one, let's say just here. And it'll come across this line. Same here, another one. So say there's no measurement on it. You can put them wherever you want, but it's better to put more than not enough, you know. So again, because of this kind of round shape, I'm just going to kind of put one here. And match it up on the pieces here, cross here, cross here, cross here, and then I think you've got the idea of it, yeah. So I put one down there, one down there, one there, one there, and last, although it's there, I know there's a hole here, so I'm just going to draw this hole round here. Right, so let me do that. See. Hope you follow me here. So that's that one done. So the next thing I got to be really, really careful because I don't really want to cut his seat. So I'm going to be gentle with my knife and I'm going to cut down this line here. And hopefully I'm not going to cut through it. That'll go, yep. So down that line. See what I'm doing? See, turn the camera here. Actually, can I zoom in at this bit or am I just going to be in the way? So all I'm doing is cutting down this line, yeah? Be very careful with this bit. If not, you end up cutting the guy's item. That's that. All the way down. Right, you get the idea of what I'm doing here. I'm only going to take one bit off. The next thing is I've got to decide, because this has to wrap on here. So I actually want my separation cut, probably because I'm looking at this. What I'll do is I'll bring the leather all the way down, down here rather, and then I need to add a piece on here because I'm going to velcro this on here. So it's just going to be a sleeve that's going to pull on. So I need a bit extra up to here. So I'm thinking I'm just going to cut along here somewhere, and then that'll separate it. But I want to leave these two dots on. So I'm going to say about there, actually if I do it on this, yeah, if I do it down in line with this pole, that'll give me enough tip over? Yeah, that'll give me enough. That one, it has to be back here. See, I'm deciding as I go along. So that comes along there. As I say, if you're doing your item, you have to work out why you're doing it and where your next cut's going to be. But as I say, in my case, this is this one. Now hopefully, I'm cutting off of this so it'll come off. I get a bit more to do here, there it goes. And a bit more. Right, so that's that piece off. Now I've got to get this piece off here, yeah? Now I should go and get a pair of scissors for this, but I'm far too lazy to walk it. Oh no, look at this. Oh, what an organised board. Pair of scissors on hand, yeah? Right, so, just got to figure out, there you are, start cutting from here. Okay. And off she goes. Right, so I'm looking at this face on, so I'm going to say this is the right side. So right away I'm going to write the word right. What I should have done is put top and bottom on it. That would have helped as well. So that goes there. So that's the top. That's the top. and that's the right. And I'll just put bottom here. I'm only writing bottom here because in case top rubs out, that's all it is. So I've just written this stuff on. That was slightly out of camera there. Let me just come back out again. Right, all I did there, because I seen it was out of camera, is I've written the word top, I've written right hand side because it's right, and I've written the word bottom. Yeah, so I know that's the top and that's the bottom. When it comes to this piece here, I forgot which way it came off, so here we go, put it back on again. Well, I know the join's there, so that fits up there. That is superb. So this here is the outside edge, so that's the outside, this edge here. I know that's the inside, so that work on the inside, that's the outside. As for lining it up, it can only line up down here, which is here. So let me show you the two bits going together. That's my dot, and then this here will start off. There's my outside. That's there. So this is the inside. That's going to start off there. There should be a dot here somewhere. There it is. There's my dot. I've lost my place here. Hang on. There's my dot. There you go. So that starts off there for when I machine it together. See, the two dots will come together, and it'll come all the way around here. And the first thing you'll see is they don't really meet, so you've got to make them meet. This is why you need to have these dots. If not, you'll end up stitching this one up here and it won't be out of line, in line, so you've got to start gallening it at some point. That dot will come in here, then the next dot is here, and it has to come round to this one, and then you continue to this dot, lines up with this one here. And then the two pieces will machine together. So the first thing I would do is transfer this onto paper because it's cleaner to see, and make sure you put these dots on. Yeah. After that, cut the other pieces out, and you'll have, like I did before, let me just put that to the side. You have what I've got here. You'll have 5 pieces. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, you'll then transfer these, and you'll cut it out your leather. But the main thing is transfer these dots. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope that was enough of this video to show you. And as I say, I'm not showing you how to cover headrests. I'm sure there's better ways of doing it. You can cover any object, you know what I mean. If I wanted, rather than try and take measurements off this, which is probably easier to take measurements, I could wrap this in a plastic bag and then draw lines around it, and that would give me the patterns to make this a cover for this object, or a bag for this object if you like. It can be absolute anything at all. I can even make a cover for this if I wanted, yeah. And all it would be is I'd probably do a wee gusset down here, gusset down here. Again, this type of thing I could probably work out without wrapping it in plastic. But if you're not up to date in patterns, wrapping it in a piece of plastic, loads of tape, then draw your design on it. As I say, it can be a V shape if you want. It doesn't have to be down here to take this pattern, yeah. What you can do if you want to be clever at this stage is draw in this sort of shape and make that blue in colour, that green in colour, you know, and this piece of black. That's entirely up to you. Okay guys, hopefully that was useful. A bit rushed because literally I've came out of my house in a pouring day just to do this video because it's been a while since I did it. Hopefully I can be a bit better than I've been at doing them. Alright, have a great day, enjoy yourself, bye.